Alright, so I'm going to see if I can't capture some the weird problems I'm having here with the Ptex branch. So we start a new file and go ahead and add just a Suzanne head. Going to give her a Ptex layer. Going to set it to 64 by 64. Going to go ahead and add a diffuse texture, set it to the Ptex texture. Now let's change to material mode and texture paint mode, and here you can see it is working. I'll change my brush color so that's a little more obvious. Alright, so this works okay. No real issues here. You can go and add a subdivision surface and everything smooths out nicely. You can continue to paint on it. But here is some weirdness that I found when I was just messing around here. If we go and add a stroke and then undo and then go into face select mode and choose to say double the resolution, that stroke comes back and there's nothing we can do about it after that. However, if we do try to Control Z to undo, you see all these weird artifacts popping up all over our paint. So this is one of the errors I found. I'm going to see if I can get the other error to happen here, which I think only happens if you aren't starting with a fresh blender. So I'm going to reload the startup file, just do the same steps and see if we can't make it happen. So we have Suzanne, we're going to do the same steps again, give her a Ptex layer, add a diffuse, add a Ptex texture, set it to the correct one, go to material mode, and let's see if this works this time. Nope, it's doing what I expect it to do. So basically what I was having happen before is when you start painting, it was doing that same artifact thing that it was doing for the Control undo on the last file. So you'd paint here, and on a bunch of random faces, little pixels and specks would show up all over the place. So that seems random, or at least I haven't figured out how to repeat that at the moment. But the other issue is definitely repeatable. Again, just draw a stroke. Go into face select, grab a face or two, double the resolution. Oh, sorry, you have to undo first. So yeah, even if you don't undo first, you still get these issues. Undo, undo, undo. Yeah, you get all this weird artifacting happening all over the place. So hopefully this video is useful to Nicholas to figure out what's going on here. And we can get this sorted out because Ptex is a pretty exciting thing to have come to Blender.